This was an extraordinary weekend, not only for the capital of Wales, but for all of Wales, where positive pictures of our country were beamed right across the globe. It was truly an absolutely extraordinary day. We had some 250,000 people coming into the town, on top of the 75,000 people we had in the stadium.
I don't think anywhere in the world that is able to create that sort of atmosphere. And referees, opposition players, when they talk about the Millennium Stadium being the best sporting venue anywhere in the world.
In the past 10 years, I've reported on Joe Calzaghe winning out in Las Vegas. Swansea City were in the Premier League. You've got 3 Grand Slams.
Our Millennium Stadium is bang in the heart of our capital city. It's absolutely unique. There is no other stadium like it in the world. You can walk out of the train station and find yourself in your seat in minutes.
You gave it your best, boys, we'd never complain.
It was a crazy place to have a 75,000 seater stadium slap bang in the middle of a huge bustling city centre, but that's what makes it so special. You know, people come in their droves en masse and they make a day of it and they fill the streets and everyone buys into it and it comes alive. You know, it's such a vibrant place to be.
Oh, just amazing. I mean, the stadium being in the centre is quite, unique.
Saturday, there's never been anything like that before. It was electric.
It was a fantastic atmosphere in town. It was just brilliant, and it always is. Doesn't matter who we play, it's always a great atmosphere.
We know how to put on great world-class events. We welcomed the world to Wales and we took Wales to the world.
Cardiff City playing in a brand new stadium. You got Wales packing out 72,000 fans in a Six Nations game. You got the Swalec Stadium, which is hosting international cricket now. It is a magnificent place, a hotbed of Welsh sport.
Wales!